In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize a channel in Slack if you need to quickly catch up on conversations without reading every single message. Slack's channel summary feature can save you a lot of time. It's especially useful when you've been away, when a channel has been very active, or when you just want a quick overview of what's been discussed recently. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to open that summary and choose a time range so you can get the most relevant recap. To begin, open Slack and go to the channel you want to review. Make sure you're inside the correct channel before moving forward, since the summary will apply only to the conversation you currently have open. Once you're in the channel, look for the three-dot menu, sometimes shown as a More Options icon. Click on the three dotted line menu to open additional channel actions. This menu is where Slack keeps several helpful tools that don't appear directly in the main conversation view. If you don't notice it right away, take a second to scan near the channel header area, since that's typically where this option appears. After the menu opens, click on Summarize Channel. This tells Slack that you want an overview of the discussion instead of manually scrolling through the message history. The summary feature is designed to pull together the key points from the selected period, which can make it much easier to understand what happened in the channel at a glance. Next, choose a time range. For this example, click on Last 7 days. This is a great option when you want a recap of recent activity without going too far back. It helps narrow the summary so you get a useful snapshot of the past week's conversations. Depending on what you need, this kind of range can be ideal for weekly check-ins, project updates, or simply catching up after time away from work. Once selected, Slack will generate the summary based on that time frame. From there, you can review the recap and use it to decide whether you need to dive deeper into any specific conversation threads or messages. And that's it. To summarize a channel in Slack, open the channel, click the three-dot menu, choose Summarize Channel, and then select a time frame such as Last 7 days. It's a simple feature, but it can make staying informed much faster and more manageable.